Assalamu alaikum. Deploying Exchange Server 2016 second part. We will be installing Exchange Server in a Windows Server 2016 virtual machine. In our previous video, we already downloaded the required tools for installing Exchange Server. First, we will install Web Server role in Windows Server 2016. This is our server installed in VMware. It's a domain server. In the server, we already installed ADDS service, domain name macro.com. The server is getting an IP as we have connected it to the internet. It means the network adapter of this VM is in NAT option. You must update your server from Windows Update. It will take some time to complete the full process. You may remember the time. You can specify the RAM. Here we are using 11 GB RAM. My physical machine has 16 GB RAM. Minimum RAM requirement is 8 GB. Let's install web server role first. While the role is installing, copy the downloaded tools into the server. We have downloaded 3 tools: .NET Framework 4.8, Unified Communications Managed API 4.0, and Microsoft Visual C++ 2013. Now install the tools. You can just install all the tools at the same time. It will take some time, so let's just wait for a while. The web server role installation is completed. Click close, click refresh. Again, let's wait for a while. We are now installing .NET Framework 4.8. It is a long process through the whole steps. Installation is complete. Click Finish. You need to restart the server. It will take some time to install the updates. The restart is complete. Let's log in to the server. We have completed 4 steps till now. Open Windows PowerShell in the server with admin privilege. Copy and paste the first command into the PowerShell and press enter. It will enable remote management. Then copy and paste the second command into the PowerShell. It's a really big command. It will install various roles and features. Again, we have to wait for a while. The installation is 90%. The installation is complete. Best practice is to restart the server. Let's restart the server. Restart is complete. Let's log in. We have completed 7 steps till now. In this next step, we will mount the downloaded ISO. Let's see the steps. Click Browse and select the ISO. Click OK. The ISO will mount in File Explorer. Open File Explorer and you will see the mounted ISO. Open the ISO and go to Setup and run it with admin privilege. The main setup will run from here. Or you can install the Exchange Server installer file. It will take some time to start the process. Here you can select connect to the internet and check for updates. For the latest update, we are using internet. Click next. It is the best way to install Exchange Server 2016 with the latest updates. Required files are copied to the system. Initializing setup. Setup is preparing the necessary resources before it can continue to the next step. Click next to plan your Exchange Server deployment. Accept the terms and click next. Use recommended settings. Then Microsoft can help you with the errors if you face anyone. Click next. Select the mailbox role. It will hide the other two roles. Click next. Installation space and location details. Here minimum RAM is 8 GB. Click next. In Exchange organization, you can use the default value or connect an OU. Let's create an OU first. Under macro.com, we have created mail server user and then put it in the Exchange organization field. Click next. Disable malware scanning. Default value no. We will talk about this feature in another video. Click next. Readiness checks. The computer will be checked to verify that setup can continue, and click next. Install. A step progress will go through step 1 to 15. It will take some time. Now I am pausing the video. Now we are in 11th step. Viewers, if we go to Windows Update, we can see that here is a latest cumulative update is downloading. It is recommended that you install the latest update for the best performance. Let's just wait again. Setup completed. Tick Launch Exchange Administration Center. After finishing Exchange setup, click Finish. It may need a restart. So we can restart the server. The update is downloading, but we will restart the server. The restart is complete. You can see here that Exchange server is consuming around 15 GB of RAM. Right click Start button, go to Microsoft Exchange Server 2016, expand the tab, click Exchange Administrative Center, and you will see a certificate error. Just click continue to this website. As it is in our local network, we can trust the connection. Okay. You can see the login page of Exchange Admin Center. It means the complete installation is done. In our next video, we will see the login process. Thank you all.